this game at all. So we do use scripts, as you see, to automatically click the screen and to automatically use the spells. This is really interesting. So we're gonna abdicate here. We start anew. I already have $4 already. So we use our auto clicker here to actually give ourselves money, as you see in the bottom here. Upgrade a speed run gives me a lot of money. It should instantly give me money. So we're actually gonna do an angel run to get our mana trophy. Or at least improved autocasting. Maybe even mana wave. Which would be nice for my Titan build. So I'm gonna upgrade everything. Just keep using my auto clicker, because it's really effective. Buy a farm and we're gonna get started. We're gonna start seeing all this money roll in. Because we're earning 979 $1 trillion. It's quite a lot of money. Gold. So like, it's a lot of money. It's quite a lot of money. I'm really rich now. I'm gonna buy all of these upgrades because we have a lot of them. We're gonna go angels because that's what we're building. Now that we have this, we have our God's Hand ability, which is really good. I activate my spellcasting ability. Or spellcasting script because we're cool. It's gonna be really nice to upgrade all these things here. Really good. It's gonna keep more clicking away. Eventually, we're gonna get enough tokens, these things, for that. That's really nice. Actually gonna smaller this. I don't know what's happening there. It's not right. Try to fix that. Do this. Successfully fixed the game. So now look, we have this. We